And I say, guys, if there's money out there to be got, you better get it. Hey, what's up, guys? It is the Freebie Babe here, and I am back with another video telling you guys how you can get something in the mail. And this time around, this is all about class action lawsuits.
New tonight, a class action lawsuit has been filed against Wawa by a woman from Woodbury Heights. It follows Wawa's disclosure of a big data breach potentially affecting all 850 of its locations. The woman alleges her credit card information was compromised in the breach and used to make fraudulent charges. Wawa is offering customers 1 year of free identity theft protection and credit monitoring.
And the thing is that no, most of the time it's not going to be like a huge payment. They're usually small payments, and the person that really wins in the end is, like always, the lawyer. They're going to be the one that's going to bank the most. However, you never know how much you're going to get. And I say, guys, if there's money out there to be got, you better get it. Okay. So I have received so many checks, so many direct deposits over the years, everything from like little cents to like 75-cent checks to all the way up to like hundreds of dollars in class action lawsuit settlements. Now, here is how I first initially found out about it. I was working for this job and I had no clue while I was there that they were not properly paying people for overtime. So I received a letter in the mail. It was like a card about this size, and it had like this PIN number and everything. And they said, hey, you're a part of a class action lawsuit. There has been a settlement that has been reached. So use your PIN code, go online, confirm your address and everything, and then we'll issue you out a payment. And I was like, what? Huh? Is this real? So I went online, I searched it, and sure enough, it was real. So I ended up getting that check in the mail, and I was really excited about it. But you guys would be surprised at how many times you end up a part of a data breach or whatever the case may be, where these companies have to end up paying you money. But for the most part, I usually receive payments from companies where I've gotten like food or electronics. And most recently, just so I can show you guys like an example on the screen, because there's been a lot of class action settlements. They're like sprinkled throughout my videos, but I don't have the time to just go through 200 or so videos showing each one. I'll just show you my most current one. Get paid direct deposit, you can get paid with Amazon credit, or you can get paid like me with PayPal. And for me, PayPal is a lot easier, so whenever that option pops up, I just go ahead and accept it. So yeah, basically it is pretty easy to do. And this is not a sponsored video. You can use whatever class action lawsuit website you like to use. This is just the one that I found while doing a search, and I've been with it for years, and that is Top Class Action. I think it's topclassactionsettlementlawsuit.com. I'll have it somewhere on the screen as well as down below in the description box and pinned, so that you guys can know where to go and sign up. Okay, so once you get to the website, topclassactions.com, or whichever class action lawsuit website you go to, you are going to scroll down until you find a lawsuit that is one that you know that you're going to be a part of. So if you see this, let's give an example. This one here is Califia Farms non-dairy class action settlement. So they say that they're going to be paying out a potential amount of $15. So that means it may be more or it may be less. It just depends on how many people enter this settlement. So you're going to click on that one. Make sure that you read everything here that is listed so you can know whether or not you are a part of this, and it's going to let you know who's eligible. So they say that this class action lawsuit is for the dates August 7th 2014 through March 20th of 2020. So if you purchase any of the milk products that are listed here between those dates, then you qualify. So, of course, you already see the potential reward. And then this one says that you can either have proof of purchase or you don't have to have proof of purchase. So if you don't have proof of purchase, or if you do, go ahead and click here to file a claim. So it has taken you to a new website, and this is where the law offices are taking part in this lawsuit. So it says, what do you want to do? So with the first one here, it has that you need a claim number and a PIN. Now this is for those who will receive something in the mail or an email specifically stating, hey, we know that you purchased these on this date XYZ. So use this PIN number and then we'll go ahead and issue you out your money. Now, the second one is for those that do not have a claim number or a PIN, and you're going to click select. So for those who do not have proof of receipt, you're going to put your name, you're going to put your address, you're going to put your telephone number and your email address, and you are going to disclose yes or no to proof of purchase. Then you're going to go to certification, and it states I'm a settlement class member or a person with authority to sign and bind a settlement class membership. I certify the truth and accuracy of the foregoing information under the penalty of perjury. So you're going to select that, and then you're going to click agree and submit. How you do it is, which I suggest, is you go on there maybe once every few months or so, and you just go down a list. Read each of the ones that you're interested in, that you know that you received some type of a issue from. You sign up for those, and you make sure that you read the fine print, because every class action settlement doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be taking place in your state. Like, you may see something about a fast food restaurant and you automatically think to yourself, oh, I was a part of that. But you didn't read the fine print, and it shows that it's only for those who lived in California or New York or XYZ. So definitely make sure it is for your state before you sign up. And another thing is, this is the one that I can't stress enough. If you have never received these different products or things like that, please do not take away from those who really did, because the more people that sign up, the less money you get. And then on top of that, you can get yourself into some serious trouble, because these are law-abiding things. These are going before the judge type of settlements. So if you know you haven't got anything, don't get yourself into any trouble. Simple as that. You've been warned, but hey, you're grown. Do what you want to do. So this is why I say it's best to just go on one day when you got a little bit of time, maybe about an hour or two, and you just scroll. Make sure that it's one you can sign up for, and sign up for as many as you can. And then you just wait it out. It usually takes between 3 to 5 months before you start seeing payments. But one thing that I've noticed, if you go to like freebieshark.com, not sponsored once again, any of the links that I give you on here are not sponsored. But this is just one of those sites that I love to go to all the time for like freebies and everything. And they're always mentioning class action lawsuits. So they stay pretty on top of everything. Basically, the companies are always getting money from us all the time. Why not get some money back? I am big on that, okay? I'm big on anything where you can have an opportunity to get something from a company, of course, legally. So guys, I hope that this video has helped you, and that you've learned a lot about class action lawsuits, and that you are interested in signing up for some. And guys, let me know if you've already taken part in these, and that you received things in the mail, like how much, how less, or do you want to start doing it? I would love to hear it. I love to converse about things like this. And guys, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.